In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Workspace payment method, 5 minutes. If you need to replace an expired card, switch to a new bank, or set a different default for upcoming charges, this walkthrough will cover everything you need to do inside the Google admin console, clearly and quickly. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google admin console at admin.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account that has permission to manage billing. Once you're on the admin homepage, look for billing in the navigation. This is where all your subscriptions and payment settings live. Inside billing, open payment accounts. You'll see your billing account for Google Workspace listed here. Find the account you want to manage, then open the Actions menu. It may appear as 3 dots to the right of the account name. From that menu, choose View Payment Methods. This brings up the list of cards and bank accounts currently associated with your billing. To add a new way to pay, select Add Payment Method. Enter the new card or bank details carefully, exactly as they appear on your statement, including the billing address and postal code. Accuracy matters here. A mismatched address or name can cause verification to fail. After you submit, Google may run a small temporary authorization to confirm the method is valid. That charge usually disappears automatically. If you already have a card saved and just need to update it, look for the card in the list and click Edit next to it. This is useful if a card number stayed the same, but the expiration date or billing address changed. Make your updates, then save to apply them. Once your preferred method is added or updated, set it as the default for future charges. Under the card or bank you want to prioritize, click the down arrow and choose Primary. This tells Google Workspace to use that method first when your subscription renews or an invoice is due. It's a good idea to confirm that the new method now shows as primary in the list before you leave this page. A couple of quick tips to ensure smooth billing going forward. Double check that the name and address on the payment method match your legal billing details. Confirm there's available credit or funds before renewal dates, and keep an alternate method on file if uninterrupted service is critical for your team. That's it. You've opened billing, reviewed your payment accounts, added or edited a method, and set the right one as primary. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to keep your Google Workspace billing running smoothly.